my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated this style from the Think About Us music video from Little Mix. I did go for PERRIE's look in this video. I love the natural glowy makeup that she's wearing, and also these little butterflies are so cute. I put a bit of tan on beforehand before I started my makeup just to give us an extra glow. And I also started off by doing my foundation first off camera because let's face it, I use the same foundation every time. Also, is anyone else loving Little Mix's new album at the minute? Oh my god, I've been obsessed. It took us a while to start listening to it, but once I started, hooked. I did recreate this look from the picture which she posted on her Instagram, which was this one here. You can't really tell from the picture what kind of makeup she's actually wearing, but it looks really natural and glowy, so that's all I've gone for. So if you'd like to see how I recreated this look, then just keep watching. subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. Thanks for watching.